What if I told you the next coworker you complain about won't even be human? Right now, across factories, labs, and even homes, humanoid robots are learning to walk, talk, lift, think, and in some cases replace entire job roles. And this isn't science fiction anymore. This is 2026. And today, we're counting down the top 12 most advanced humanoid robots in the world, machines that are redefining what it means to be human. Humanoid robots are designed to look and move like us: 2 arms, 2 legs, a head, sometimes even facial expressions. But what's happening right now is a massive leap forward. Thanks to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, sensors, and real-world training, robots are no longer stuck doing repetitive tasks behind cages. They're stepping out into human environments: warehouses, hospitals, retail stores, and even your living room. Some of these robots can learn new skills overnight, some can hold conversations, and some might soon outperform humans at physical work. So let's dive in. Here are the top 12 humanoid robots of 2026, ranked by capability, real-world impact, and just how close they are to becoming part of everyday life. Starting at number 12, we have Digit. Digit is designed specifically for logistics. Think warehouses, deliveries, and supply chains. It can walk upright, carry packages, and operate in spaces built for humans. What makes Digit stand out is its balance and adaptability. It can navigate cluttered environments and recover from disturbances like being bumped or losing footing. Major companies are already testing Digit in real-world scenarios, especially in last-mile delivery and warehouse automation. It's not flashy, it doesn't try to look human, but it gets the job done, and that's exactly why it's so important. What truly elevates Digit is its ability to integrate into existing infrastructure without requiring massive redesigns. Unlike traditional automation systems that need controlled environments, Digit thrives in dynamic, unpredictable settings where humans usually dominate. This makes it highly cost-effective and scalable for companies looking to optimize operations quickly. As labor shortages continue to impact global logistics, robots like Digit are no longer optional, they're becoming essential. The question now is, how long before machines like Digit completely reshape the workforce we know today? At number 11 is Neo, a humanoid robot designed for home assistance. Unlike industrial robots, Neo is built to coexist with people, helping with chores, organizing items, and potentially even assisting elderly individuals. Its design is soft, safe, and intentionally non-threatening. It's not trying to intimidate, it's trying to blend in. What's exciting about Neo is its integration with AI systems that allow it to understand commands and learn from human interaction. Imagine telling your robot to clean the kitchen, and it actually understands what that means. That's the future Neo is aiming for. Beyond simple commands, Neo represents a shift toward emotionally aware machines that can adapt to human routines and preferences over time. It's not just about automation. It's about companionship and trust within personal spaces. As societies age, especially in developed regions, the demand for such assistive technologies is rapidly increasing. Neo could play a key role in redefining independent living. But here's the bigger question: will people truly feel comfortable sharing their homes with intelligent machines? Number 10 is one of the most visually impressive robots on this list, Ameca. Ameca isn't built for heavy lifting. It's built for interaction. Its facial expressions are incredibly lifelike, capable of smiling, frowning, blinking, and reacting in ways that feel eerily human. Ameca is often used in exhibitions, research, and human-robot interaction studies. But here's the bigger picture. Robots like Ameca are paving the way for emotional intelligence in machines. They're teaching robots how to communicate not just with words, but with expression. And that's a critical step toward making robots truly integrated into society. Researchers are leveraging Ameca to better understand how humans respond to machines that mimic real emotions. This is crucial in fields like healthcare, education, and customer service, where empathy plays a significant role. The more natural these interactions become, the more acceptable robots will be in everyday life. However, this also raises ethical concerns about manipulation and emotional dependency. If machines can simulate feelings so convincingly, where do we draw the line between real and artificial connection? Coming in at number 9 is Apollo. Apollo is designed as a general-purpose humanoid robot for industrial work. It's strong, efficient, and built to handle repetitive physical tasks. Think loading, unloading, moving inventory jobs that are physically demanding and often dangerous. What makes Apollo exciting is its modular design and scalability. Companies can deploy fleets of these robots to handle labor shortages. And in a world where logistics demand is skyrocketing, Apollo could become a backbone of modern industry. Apollo's design also focuses heavily on human-robot collaboration rather than replacement. It can work alongside humans safely, reducing injury risks while boosting productivity. This hybrid workforce model could define the next phase of industrial evolution. As supply chains become more complex and demand faster turnaround times, robots like Apollo provide a competitive advantage that businesses can't ignore. But if efficiency keeps increasing at this pace, what happens to traditional labor roles in the long run? At number 8, we have Phoenix, a robot aiming for true human-level work capability. Phoenix is powered by advanced AI systems designed to mimic human decision-making and dexterity. It can perform complex tasks that require fine motor skills like picking up delicate objects or operating tools. Sanctuary AI's vision is bold. They want robots that can perform any job a human can do. And Phoenix is one of the closest attempts we've seen so far. What sets Phoenix apart is its continuous learning capability, allowing it to improve performance through experience rather than rigid programming. This makes it adaptable across multiple industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. The idea isn't just to build a robot for one task, but a system that can evolve and take on new challenges over time. If successful, Phoenix could redefine the very concept of labor itself. But can a machine ever truly match the intuition and creativity of a human mind? Number 7 is Walker X. Walker X is designed for service environments, homes, offices, and public spaces. It can walk smoothly, maintain balance, and interact with objects in its environment. But what really stands out is its coordination. Walker X can perform multi-step tasks and adapt to changes in real time. It's not just following commands, it's interpreting situations. That's a huge leap forward. This level of situational awareness brings robots closer to autonomous decision-making in everyday environments. Walker X can analyze context, prioritize actions, and adjust behavior dynamically, which is essential for real-world usability. Such capabilities could revolutionize industries like hospitality, healthcare, and retail. As these robots become more refined, they may start handling responsibilities that require both physical and cognitive input. But if machines begin to interpret the world like humans, what separates human intelligence from artificial intelligence anymore? GR1 comes at number 6. GR1 is constructed with healthcare and rehabilitation in mind. It will be able to assist patients, aid physical therapy, and provide assistance with mobility. It is designed in a way that puts safety and accuracy as a priority, thus it is appropriate in close human contact. With the aging of population across the globe, robots such as GR1 may prove indispensable in healthcare systems, assisting in the provision of shortages in human caregivers. The outstanding feature of GR1 is that it can be deployed in sensitive environments where trust and reliability are paramount. It has to read human movement, react mildly, and make sure that it causes no harm to the human being, unlike industrial robots. This involves sophisticated sensors, live feedback control, and dynamic controls. Hospitals and the care facilities are already strained, and automation of this kind may re-establish patient care standards worldwide. However, when machines start helping with such intimate areas of human lives, will patients trust robot care above human care entirely? Number 5 is a legend in robotics, Atlas. Atlas has gained popularity due to being agile in terms of running, jumping, flipping, and maneuvering through tricky situations. Terrain. However, there is more than just viral videos. Atlas embodies the latest research in mobility and control systems. It is ever-changing, it is becoming quicker, more reliable, and stronger. Although it is not a commercial product as yet, the technology behind Atlas affects almost every humanoid robot being developed today. Atlas is used as a reference point of what is physically possible in humanoid robotics. Its active balancing, motion planning in real time, and sophisticated actuators stretch the boundaries of engineering. Although it is mainly a research site, the advances made with Atlas trickle down to commercial designs. It is basically carving out the future generation of robots. What Atlas can do today is not the question, but what will happen when such a degree of mobility is made available to the various industries. Our 4th position is Optimus Gen 2. The humanoid robot of Tesla has been enhanced significantly, putting emphasis on efficiency, dexterity, and real-life world usability. Optimus is to be performed with repetitive, perilous, or just unpleasant duties. Humans. What is different is the way Tesla did it. The company made use of AI systems designed to work with autonomous driving. This implies that Optimus is able to process visual information and make decisions in changing environments. And at the scale of manufacturing that Tesla has, this robot can be manufactured in large volumes. Vision-based AI also provides an added benefit to Optimus, enabling it to analyze the environment in the same way self-driving vehicles do. This decreases reliance on pre-programmed instructions and enhances independence. Tesla can produce a large number of units, and combined with this technology, the obstacle to mass adoption may be dramatically lowered. When scaled successfully, Optimus might be able to disrupt labor markets in several industries at once. However, when millions of these robots get into the labor market, what will become of the economies when they are so fast-paced in automation? Number 3 is Figure 01. It is a general-purpose robot that integrates strength, precision, and AI-driven learning. Figure AI has collaborated with key firms to implement such robots in practice environments. The key feature of Figure 01 is that it is capable of learning things fast. Figure 01 needs less time to learn things. Complex programming. It observes, studies, and evolves. And this is what makes it so powerful. Figure 01 is a movement in the direction of data-driven robotics, where manual coding is substituted by learning. It reduces setup time and enhances efficiency by observing human actions and optimizing its performance. This strategy is especially useful in those industries where the tasks are rather variable. The smarter it works, the more it advances, and as it advances, it forms a compounding advantage over traditional machines. However, when robots have the ability to learn only through observation, how soon are they going to be able to do the same activities as humans, but better? H1 is at position 2. H1 is a humanoid robot with one of the highest speeds and agility ever constructed. It is able to walk, run, and balance with a lot of efficiency. Unitree concentrated on producing a lightweight but powerful robot, which is versatile and powerful, scalable. H1 is a change to accessibility and affordability of humanoid robots. It is not about ability, but about taking that ability to additional industries. The engineering of H1 is aimed at achieving a high power-to-weight ratio, allowing to achieve high performance without spending too much. This renders it a good candidate for extensive implementation outside the specialized fields. With the growing affordability of robotics, smaller firms might also start to automate. This democratization of technology has the potential to hasten innovation across all levels. However, once advanced robotics is made affordable to all, what new issues can be encountered in regulation and control? And at number 1, it's not just one robot. It's an entire category, the AI-driven new generation of humanoids. They are robots which are physically enabled with sophisticated artificial intelligence systems that is able to reason, learn, and adapt on the fly. We are referring to robots that are capable of existing jobs are being reprogrammed and new jobs created without reprogramming, interact with humans in a natural manner, fulfill tasks independently in unpredictable situations. This is the point of change. Humanoid robots cease to be tools when intelligence is added to the hardware and begin to be all new. This collision of AI and robotics is a radical change in technology. This is no longer a matter of strict programmed systems, but these systems are self-evolving by data and interaction. This change could change industries, economies, and everyday life. The machine intelligence boundary is starting to turn hazy as we have never experienced before. However, once robots start to have the ability to reason on their own, where do we put the line between helping and being independent? Think about this. For decades, robots were confined to factories, repeating the same motions over and over. But now, they're stepping into our world, working where we work, and maybe, one day, living where we live. The question isn't if humanoid robots will become part of everyday life, it's how soon. So here's the big question. If a humanoid robot could do your job faster, cheaper, and without breaks, what would that mean for the future of work? And more importantly, what role will you play in a world where machines can do almost anything? If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we're diving deep into the future of technology, AI, and everything that's about to change your life. And tell me in the comments, would you trust a humanoid robot in your home? Because whether you're ready or not, they're coming.